Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and today is Wednesday, May 28th. And the market closed pretty much on the highs of the day. I thought it was a pretty good rally for what we think is the right shoulder of a head and shoulders pattern. A lot of the NASDAQ stocks acted very, very well today. But we'll take a look at all the indexes in our final segment, and we'll show you how things are shaping up. Also, I got another idea for you tomorrow. It's an old idea. We've been in it a couple of times again. When you see it, you'll remember it. Then we'll take a look at the stock we bought this morning, SPSN. You know, everybody chased after it this morning, including myself. But the chart still looks pretty good, and I think it's going to work out pretty well for us. So without further ado, the idea for tomorrow is Smith & Wesson. Yep, we're going to shoot them up again with it. We've been in it twice already, and this will be our third time. So in just a moment, I'm going to show you the chart, and I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to take this idea and turn it into some money. Now, don't go away. I'll be right back. Okay, we're looking at a daily bar chart of SWHC. Smith & Wesson. Now, I'm zoomed out pretty far because I want to give you an overall view of this. This will be our third time in this stock. Let me give you the stats and then I'll zoom in on it. This is a call on the long side, and I'll be looking to buy this stock about $5.60 to $5.65, maybe $5.70. We have a target, initial target here of $7.70. But I think eventually you can get through that and get up to this 970 area up here. But let me zoom in and show you what I like about it. Okay, for those of you who remember this, we bought it here and we sold it here. We bought it here, I sold it there, but some of you sold it there. And now it's back down again. So what we've got is we've got breakout, pullback, breakout, pullback, breakout, pullback, breakout, pullback, and the next move is going to be another breakout. So I told you I'd wait for this to come back down, and when I thought it was right, I'd bring it to you again, and here it is. So let me recap that. This is SWHC. This is a call on the long side, and our initial target, I think we can make it $2 on this trade. All right, let's take a look at the stock we bought this morning, SPSN. Let me zoom in a little bit. Looking good. This is our support. This beautiful looking base pattern here. Keep an eye on this pattern. You'll see this pattern in many charts. And when you see it, you'll always know it's a nice base pattern. Also, if you were to turn it upside down, it would be a toppy pattern too. But it's sort of like this V-bottom pattern. All right, anyway, we've come down to it. We're holding and we're putting in an ascending triangle. And I think the chart looks pretty good. So we'll put that in our portfolio. And maybe in a week or two we'll be selling it out at our target up around $4.14. Let's take a look at the major indexes. I didn't sell anything, so I have nothing to show you in the winners and losers section. But let's take a look at the indexes and see how things are shaping up. Because we believe that the market is kicking back. It's rallying. We expected it. But we believe it's going to bump its head into some resistance areas. Now, this is the Dow. And we believe that this is going to be the resistance area that the Dow is going to have a very, very difficult time getting past. It may penetrate it, briefly for a few hours, but I don't believe it's going to be able to make much ground above that because it's just a resistance area, just the way the chart looks. Let's take a look at the transportation average. I showed you that this was a head and shoulders pattern, and I thought we were going to form a bigger head and shoulders pattern, and you can see we are still rallying. This could rally a little bit more tomorrow up into this area here, but this is our resistance area. I don't expect it to get through that. So when this rally is over, then I expect the market to roll over and come down and make a lower low, and then we'll have another kickback rally, and then another lower low, and then another kickback rally. I believe it's going to be a tradable decline, meaning you'll be able to make money on both sides of the market. You'll be able to short stocks and make money, and you'll be able to buy stocks and make money. All right, let's take a look at the SPYs. This is basically the Standard & Poor's 500. and this market could come all the way back up into here to form that right shoulder. I don't think it's going to get that high, but it could. I think it's going to run into trouble right in here somewhere. But we'll keep an eye on it. There is room for it to rally without it upsetting or changing any of the look of the pattern. So let's take a look at the QQQs. Now they've just about gotten to their resistance spot right in here. So these will be interesting to see if they can make any more ground tomorrow. I don't think they're going to be able to make much ground because they're at their resistance area just about. They might have a little bit of room, but not much. And like I said, this is going to be the right shoulder, and this is the left shoulder, and of course this is the head. So we'll see how this develops. This is a very interesting chart pattern that it's developing here. And okay, so that's my view of the market. I'm still holding on to the fact that as soon as this rally that we're in runs its course within a day or so, I believe we're going to roll over and come on back down and make a lower low. Anyway, that's my view of the market. This is TK. Until tomorrow, signing off.